Good morning. We're in Durango getting ready to board the Durango Silverton steam engine train to Silverton. And it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. Fall colors should be awesome. All right, I think we're in that first car. So I'll go catch up with AB. And we're off. Going past the Annabel River here. This is where we're camping. What fun, everybody watching the train go by.
They just said 4 miles to town.
Okay. Yeah, next time we'll come in a tent. Look how pretty that campground is. We're starting to climb now as we get above Animas Valley. Going through Rockwood right now.
Get my wallet and we'll go for a drink, huh?
Yes. Oh my gosh, look at this grade here. I better get my hands in. Look at the tracks where we're going. That's Annabelle's camera. Oh, someone just lost their sunglasses. Oh, bummer. I better hang on to my camera. Oh my gosh, look at this grade here. Whoa. How fun is that? Whoa. We're stopped for some reason, not sure why, but what a pretty place to stop. They told us they were going to stop once to get water, so maybe this is where we're filling up with water for the steam engine. here we are coming into Silverton. Oh boy, was that just such a beautiful ride. Did you have fun, Annabelle?
Yeah. Alrighty, here we are. We have arrived in Silverton on the wonderful train.
Woo, handlebars, here we come.
All right.